I just want to make a couple of clarification because the Sudafed brand is a big brand. Just like Tylenol is a big brand. But Tylenol nowadays is not just acetaminophen, right? There's Tylenol arthritis, there's a lot of combination with acetaminophen. And Sudafed is the same because it's become a household brand, okay? So, Jasmine is there. So Sudafed initially was pseudoephedrine, okay? The popular brand for Sudafed is pseudoephedrine. And pseudoephedrine is the one with the limit of 9 grams for every 30 days. Why? Because pseudoephedrine is used to make meth, illegal meth. Okay, is that clear? And then the brand name Sudafed PE, PE stands for phenylephrine. Are you following? Okay. Phenylephrine is not the one used to make meth. Okay. Let's look at my slide. Can you see my slide? Yes? Okay. So I wanted to clarify because Sudafed is such a big brand. So Sudafed, pseudoephedrine from ephedra. Pseudo means fake. Fake ephedra. Ephedra is a plant. Okay. And then Sudafed PE, phenylephrine, is phenylephrine. These are the differences, okay? Brand name version, Sudafed for pseudoephedrine. Phenylephrine is Sudafed PE. Generic version, both available as generic, which is what? Pseudoephedrine for Sudafed. Phenylephrine is for Sudafed PE. Okay, let's keep going. Are there special requirements for purchase? For pseudoephedrine, yes. For phenylephrine, no. It's over the counter. Okay. For pseudoephedrine, 9 grams maximum per month or 3.6 grams per day. That clear? Yes? Okay. What forms? Oral, tablet, oral, liquid. These are the strength. Okay. And then how long can it be taken? For pseudoephedrine, up to 7 days in a row. Okay. For phenylephrine, up to 7 days in a row too. But the nasal form, up to 3 days in a row. Okay. Here comes another difference, the last row. Does it have potential for misuse or abuse? For the pseudoephedrine, brand name Sudafed, yes. For the phenylephrine, which is your PE, no. Okay, is that clear? Except for extended release tablets, which are only safe for children 12 years and older, pseudoephedrine itself is not addictive. Not addictive. However, illegal meth or methamphetamine that it can be used to make is highly addictive. The pseudoephedrine alone is not addictive. That's why it's not really a potential for abuse, but misuse. Are you following? Okay, I wanted to share another important information. Share screen. My special requirements. Can you see my special requirements? Yes, okay. You as a patient or customer can walk into any pharmacy and buy PE, phenylephrine, off the shelf like you would for any other purchase of over-the-counter medications. But for pseudoephedrine, there are special instructions. To get it, you have to buy it from the pharmacy staff, not off the shelf. You also have to show ID, and you're limited in the amount you can buy daily and monthly. Common question in a national certification exam. The amount that you can purchase max. What's the amount? 9 grams. Okay? daily and monthly limit. Okay, 3.6 for the daily. The reason for these requirements is that pseudoephedrine is used to make illegal meth. I can't stress it enough, which is highly addictive. These rules help prevent people from buying products that contain pseudoephedrine to make meth. Is that clear? Okay, let's move on to our other drug words if you don't have any question. I hope I clarified that enough, okay? For the Sudafed brand, Sudafed is different from Sudafed PE. Let's keep going. Warfarin. Since you're leaving, Josh, give us one more, warfarin. And then you can leave after this, okay?
Okay, warfarin is the brand, the generic brand is Coumadin. It's a blood thinner and an anticoagulant. And, oh snap, I didn't do that yet. And correct. I think I have one more thing, let me check. I wrote these out by hand. Don't know why I did that.
Can you clarify which one is brand, which one is generic? Is it warfarin or Coumadin?
Generic is warfarin, brand is Coumadin.
Okay, generic is warfarin, brand is Coumadin, C-O-U-M-A-D-I-N, most popular brand, okay? So it's a RIN, it's an anticoagulant. What's coagulation? Clotting, anti to prevent clotting, okay? So these are your RINs. Warfarin, heparin, aspirin. Get it? Okay. Anticoagulant.
It's also a pregnancy category of X.
Pregnancy category X. Okay. Let's move on. Thanks, Josh. You can leave, but don't forget to check your Blackboard, okay? Next one, Zantac. Julio, can I hear it from you? Zantac.
Zantac, it's a digestive system agent. Generic name is ranitidine, and the brand name is Zantac. It's a brand that had been discontinued recently in April of this year. They issue a recall due to carcinogenic contaminants.
What does that mean?
It means that there's something on the medication that might cause cancer.
Correct. Carcinogenic. I just wanted to highlight the term, okay? Zantac, generic ranitidine. Again, we pronounce it as tidine, not dine, okay? I know we pronounce I-N-E as ine, American way, American English, but for drugs, we do ranitidine, okay? Take note, T-I-D-I-N-E is different from T-A-D-I-N-E. Julia, do you remember the difference? Ranitidine is a T-I-D-I-N-E, which is for?
For the stomach, it's a histamine receptor antagonist.
Okay, which is an antacid, right? Which means it's H what? H1 or H2? H2, correct, because it's acid, stomach acid. When it's tadine, like loratadine, T-A-D-I-N-E, it's for allergies. That's what? H what?
H1.
H1, histamine. Now you remember, okay? H1, histamine 1, allergies. H2, histamine 2, acid. Okay. So when you add the words anti, blocker, antagonist, inhibitor, they're against or stops the release of these chemicals that cause either allergies, H1, or cause production of acid, stomach acid, H2. You following? Okay, so you're understanding the pharmacology? Okay, cool. Thanks, Julio. Last one, Zocor. Zocor would be, Marlene?
Zocor is the brand name. The generic name is Semuvest. Statin, sorry.
Statin.
Pharmacology, statins. And then it's used to lower blood levels of bad cholesterol. And pregnancy category is X.
Okay, correct. So when you hear Zocor, Zocor is a brand, popular brand. Generic is simvastatin. It's another statin. Once you hear statin, what did I say about statins? For cholesterol. So this is what you call anti, against, hyper, increase, lipid, cholesterol, and then emia, blood. Anti-hyperlipidemic would be the drug, okay? Did you find HMG coenzyme A inhibitor? Yes. So know these terms go hand in hand when it comes to cholesterol levels, okay? Anti-hyperlipidemic, okay? And HMG coenzyme A inhibitor. Is that clear? Okay. Any questions on this one? No questions? All of our drug words are good. Quick question. Which amongst, how many is this? 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Which amongst your 11 drugs are bronchodilators? Nate, 2. Give me 2.
This one I gave.
You have at least 2 bronchodilators in your list today.
Yeah, salmeterol.
Salmeterol and
was it sulfurate?
nuh-uh. Okay, can you help Dawn? 2.
Salmeterol and theophylline.
Correct. You have at least 2 bronchodilators in there, which is salmeterol and theophylline. Hint, hint, wink, wink. Okay. I'll go on break. We'll go on break. It's 11:05. I want you to come back at 11:20 for the abbreviation and announcements. Okay. I'll see you guys at 11:20. Okay. Set your alarms. Bye.